Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix can't print documents printer driver is unavailable. Type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Click and expand print queues. Right-click your printer. Click Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Click Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Select Generic Software Device. Click Next. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.